In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Calendar view to better fit your scheduling needs. We all have different preferences when it comes to organizing our time, and Google Calendar is a versatile tool that offers several options to fine-tune how you see your upcoming events. Let's dive into how you can adjust your calendar settings to make your week more manageable. First things first, let's begin by opening Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. Once it loads, you'll be presented with your default calendar view. This is your starting point for all the customization we're about to explore. Now take a look at the top right corner, just above your calendar. You should see a button that allows you to switch between different calendar views. It might say week, but depending on your current settings, it could also say day, month, year, schedule, or even display a custom range of days. This is where you will select your preferred view. For the purpose of this guide, let's focus on the week view. Clicking this button enables you to toggle between these different perspectives quickly. Once you have selected the week view, there's an additional feature you might find useful, the option to show or hide weekends. Some people prefer to see only their work week at a glance, while others like to have the entire week visible for planning purposes. To adjust this setting, look for the checkbox labeled Show Weekends. If you uncheck this box, the weekends will disappear from your view, giving you a streamlined display of just the weekdays. Checking it back will, of course, make Saturdays and Sundays reappear. Another helpful feature is the ability to manage how declined events are displayed. By default, Google Calendar may show events you've declined, which can lead to unnecessary clutter. If you'd like a cleaner view, you can toggle declined events off. To do this, find the Declined Events checkbox that should be located near the Other View options. Uncheck this box to hide any events you've declined, helping you focus on commitments you plan to attend. And there you have it, you're all set. You've now customized your Google Calendar view to better fit your personal or professional scheduling needs. By learning how to toggle between views and manage which events are visible, you can make sure your calendar reflects your priorities accurately. It's a small change, but one that can significantly impact how you manage your time and tasks. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find these tips helpful in streamlining your calendar management. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Google Calendar's features, feel free to reach out. Have a productive week.